Next question. Question number 77. India's first ever conservation reserve for black buck will come up in which city or state? So the options are Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, Udaipur in Rajasthan, Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and Kochi in Kerala. So the correct answer is Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, Meja. So black buck conservation area. Next. It is asking which among the following Indian won Whitley Award, which is also called as the Green Oscar Award. So आपको Whitley Awards भी कौन थे? The options are Sanjay Guppi, option B Prafulla Samantara, option C Sharda Prasad Singh, option D N Ramesh. The correct answer is option A Sanjay Guppi. So why? Karnataka Tiger Conservation Point. This person was very important, and then he got the Green Oscar Award, that is Whiteley Awards, in 2017. Similarly, Purnima Burman. So she was the female, and from the northwest to save adjutant stock Hargila Jahaku Ponti in the wetland of Assam. Okay, so she also got this award, and then Sanjay Gubbi. Next, which of the following greenest state of India? Which of the following is the greenest state of India? Option A Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram. The correct answer is Mizoram. Next, the use of microorganism to degrade the harmful hazardous pollutants in the environment is called as dash. Environment to harmful hazardous pollutant काढ़ीबारो तरीका by using microorganism. या को कौन कहा जाए? Options are micro remediation, nano remediation, bioremediation, biotransformation. So the correct answer is bioremediation. And what do microorganism do basically? ସେମାନେ ए जो organic harmful pollutant है ताको ସେମାନେ break down करते and they absorb the inorganic things and release the other things. Next question, it is asking reformulated gasoline oxygenated fuel with 2% minimum oxygen content is required during the winter month in the non-attainment areas for carbon monoxide. Which of the following substance listed below may be added to the fuel to render it oxygenated? So जो जगह as you know oxygen is required for your burning and केबे केबे fuel रे जो oxygen content था सेटा नथिबो, then what is done to add this oxygen? Options are lead, MTB, methyl tertiary butyl ether. Option C organic magnesium. Option D benzene. So the correct answer is option B methyl tertiary butyl ether, MTBE, and it is a combination of methanol plus isobutylene. This is also called as oxygenates. Yanko oxygenate by kahin ki kaun thi? Because they raise the level of oxygen in the gasoline so as to make it flammable. Then it is volatile, it is colorless, it will dissolve in water also. Okay, right now यार concentration टिके कम करा जाउछे. Next question. The structure connecting the fetus to the placenta is called as dash. So question from biology. Now we are done with the environment ecology questions sorigala or geography questions sorigala. Now we can start from the science. Science ro first question biology ro. Structure connecting the fetus to the placenta is called as dash. So option A umbilical cord is correct. Umbilical cord pakapaki 50 centimeter ro thai in the human bodies. Next question it is asking, the International Yoga Day is celebrated on dash. 21st of June, 21st March, 5th of June, 5th of March. The correct answer is option A 21st of June. 2015 रे first time याको observe करा जाइतला. Next, hepatitis is a dash. Protozoan disease, fungal disease, bacterial disease, viral disease. So what is hepatitis? Hepatitis is a disease of inflamed liver and it is a viral disease. Okay. So let me tell you that hepatitis totally अपन करो पांचटा टाइप रहता है A B C D E और E. Okay. So these hepatitis A और E they are basically caused because of they are not contagious. Not contagious meaning contaminated water, alcohol ये सब consumption रो basically होता है and सेटा संगे संग infectious एते नहीं है. But if you talk about BCD, so they can basically transmit by tattooing, by unprotected sex and blood transfusion, so many other things. It can BCD can basically go. Okay. So A and E, they can be a result of toxins, alcohol, etc. So they are basically secondary. Next question it is asking, which of the following is the richest source of vitamin C? Guava, pineapple, orange, tomato. So the correct answer is guava. So vitamin C can be found in the yellow fruits, in the red fruits, and but if you talk about guava, it is a very unique fruit and it has twice the vitamin C as compared to orange. Next question it is asking, the batteries used in mobile and smartphones are dash. Option A, dry cell. Option B, mercury cell. Option C, lithium ion battery. Option D, lead storage battery. So the correct answer is lithium ion battery. So there are two kinds of battery in this one. One is lithium ion, another one is lithium polymer. Lithium polymer battery is the latest one और यहाँ पर काफ़ी रिसर्च वगैरह भी चल रही है. ओके, एंड मोबाइल फोन्स में कोटा यूज होता है लिथियम आयन. Now let us go to question number 87, science and tech. Which of the following is not correct for the detergent? Option A, have all property of soap, यानी कि detergent और soap same है पूरा. Option B, can be used in soft as well as hard water. Option C, cannot be used as acidic in the acidic medium. Option D, generally obtained from vegetable oil. So soaps और detergent रे एटा ही फर्क था कि soap रू अधिका better था detergent in many aspect, and detergent can be used even in the acidic medium. Acid रे भी use हो पारेगा. So this one is incorrect. Okay. बाकी सब ठीक अच्छे. Can be used in soft and hard water, generally obtained from vegetable oil, and मोटा मोटा soap संग्रह ही same है. Next, when a body falls freely towards the earth, then what happens to its total energy? Increases, remains same, decreases, first increases then decreases. So as you know, this is your physics question, biology to physics. Next, so body रो energy सब बड़े same रहेगा. Why? Conservation of energy. So kinetic energy और potential energy जहाँ भी अच्छी से बस interchange ही पड़ेगा, but then it will remain same only. Next question पचाची, the sharpness of a television image is termed as the dash. Color, clarity, graphics, resolution. So as you know, गोटे पिक्चर काफ़ी गुड़ाक पिक्सेल्स रे डिवाइड होता है और जेते अधिक रेजोल्यूशन सेते ही बेटर क्लैरिटी रो इमेज मिलता है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज रेजोल्यूशन, विच इज associated with pixels.